Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign up to delivery with Uber Eats on a bike using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone, search for the Uber driver and download the app. This app is used to manage your deliveries and track your earnings. Once installed, tap on Uber driver to open it. Once app opens, tap sign up or get started. You need to enter your phone number, email and full name. Make sure your information is accurate for verifications. Next, Uber will ask what type of vehicle you want to use. Select bike or scooter depending on your option. This allows Uber to show deliveries that fit your vehicle type. Uber needs to verify you can safely deliver. Prepare to upload a government ID, profile photo, background check, consent. This ensures safety for both you and customers. Next, add your bank account to receive payments. Uber will deposit your earnings directly here after each week or instantly if you are using Instant Pay. Read and agree to Uber's terms and conditions. You may need to watch a short training video or confirm local delivery rules. And that's it. You are now ready to earn money delivering with Uber Eats on a bike using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.